Hi, welcome back to Mudpie Fridays. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what we're having for dinner this evening on this rather cold November afternoon. It's the last in my series of videos with Quorn and Netmums, and we're going to be cooking Quorn Fillets in an Italian-inspired dish that we've actually eaten quite a lot. The boys love it, it's quick to do, and it's very nutritious because it's got lots of spinach in it, which means we can get some greens into them as well. Here's the list of ingredients. So these are the ingredients for this afternoon's recipe. You'll see that we've already started to prepare some of the vegetables. That's because Monkey now enjoys doing that as part of the preparation for cooking, so we encourage it wherever possible. You'll see we've got 5 or 6 small brown mushrooms already diced, a stick of celery, some green olives, a medium-sized onion, this little dish here, 2 garlic cloves, some mange tout and baby potatoes to serve. Then you've got your spinach, your vegetarian mozzarella, some tomato puree, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, pepper and olive oil. Not to mention the Quorn fillets. Now these are brilliant because they literally take 12 minutes and you just pop them into the sauce. So you'll see that as we go through just how easy they are to cook. And as a reminder, Quorn is high in protein and low in saturated fat, which means that it's a really good alternative for meat for the boys. And because these are kept in the freezer, it also means that they're totally on hand whenever I need them. So after school, for example, or on a wet, rainy afternoon in November, like today. First, heat the oven to 180. Add the onion, celery and garlic, give it a stir and leave it to soften. At the same time, put on a saucepan to boil for the potatoes. Once the onion and garlic celery mixture has started to soften, add the mushrooms and cook for a further 5 minutes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. And your chopped tomatoes before seasoning to taste. Once up to temperature, add the olives, stir and cover and reduce the heat, allowing the sauce to reduce for 10 minutes or so. After rinsing the spinach through, pop it in a pan and cook it down. Slice up the mozzarella to lay on top of the dish. Next, prepare the dish by layering fillets, sauce and spinach.
Put it in the oven.
Finally, layer the mozzarella over the top of the dish and pop in the oven. Once the mozzarella has browned, take out of the oven.
Oh wow, this is good.